Identity. What is meant by an identity? An identity is an equation which is satisfied by all values of the variables involved in the equation. For example, 2 into x plus 1 is equals to 2x plus 2, and 2x square divided by x is equals to 2x are identities. Its main identity is also an equation, but the equation of the type in which variable involved. For example, in this identity, x is the variable. If we put here any value of x, it will satisfy the equation. Its left hand side and right hand side give the same answers. So in this condition, this equation will be known as an identity. For example, if 2x square divided by x is equals to 2x, if we put the value of x here equals to 1, then it becomes 2 into 1 square divided by 1 is equals to 2 into 1. 2 multiplied by 1 will be equals to 2 divided by 1. The answer of this side will be 2, and the answer on the right side will be equals to 2 ones are 2. So answer of left side will be 2 and right side will also be 2. So value of x, which is 1, satisfied the equation, so it is an identity. So this type of equation is known as an identity.